Good morning, class 8th. Today I am going to teach you about preposition. What is preposition? What are the types of prepositions? Okay, now let's listen carefully and read the chapter. Okay, read this topic. Preposition. Actually, preposition is a word. Okay, any word which is used to describe, or like this you can give, this word is used to link noun or pronoun with other word to give a meaningful sentence. Okay, this other word can be verb, adjective, adverb. Okay, this preposition is a word used to link noun or pronoun with other word just to give proper meaning. Okay, this other word can be verb, adjective, adverb. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि preposition links करता है. क्या link करता है? Noun and pronoun को with the other word. Other word क्या हो सकते हैं? Verb हो सकते हैं, adjective हो सकते हैं, and it can be adverb also. Okay, it means it actually shows the relationship of noun and pronoun with that of other word. Okay, क्या बताएगा? ये relation बताएगा किसका? Noun का और pronoun का with that other word. कैसे? Let's take an example. Example: the cat is sitting under the table. Here the cat is noun and this table. Okay, now what is preposition? This under is shown as a preposition. How? The cat is sitting under the table. If we remove under from the sentence, okay, what it becomes? The cat is sitting the table. It means it does not give a proper meaningful sentence while if you remove under from the sentence. Okay, it means it shows the actual relationship between the cat and the table, that where the cat is actually sitting in the table, on the table, under the table, where it is. Okay, it means under is a preposition. ठीक, means ऐसा कोई भी word जो कि आपको relationship बताता है with the other word in a sentence to give a proper meaning is known as preposition. Okay, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्या पढ़ते हैं? Preposition can be categorized into three based on their form. It means on the basis of form. ध्यान दीजिएगा इस बात पे. On the basis of form, preposition can be categorized at three basic categories. Okay, and on the basis of their function, preposition are mainly categorized into four that we will discuss in next class. But in this class, you discuss about 3 points. The preposition on their form can be categorized into three. First one is simple preposition, second one is compound preposition, and the next one is, the last one is complex or phrase preposition. Actually this complex preposition is also known as phrase preposition. Okay, now let's understand what is this simple preposition. When there is single word, okay, when there is single word used as a preposition, it is known as simple preposition. For example, there are different types of prepositions like simple preposition like in, on, at, by, from, about, over, under, through, till, up, off, and there are different given in your books. Okay, you just read it. मीन्स आपको अगर कोई भी सिंगल वर्ड दिख रहा है जो कि आपको साफ साफ समझ में आ रहा है इन अ सेंटेंस, दैट इट इज एक्चुअली डिफाइनिंग द रिलेशनशिप विद द अदर ऑब्जेक्ट और अदर वर्ड, इट मीन्स इट इज कैटेगराइज्ड एज सिंपल प्रीपोजिशन. कम टू द नेक्स्ट प्रीपोजिशन like compound preposition. When two or more words are combined to form a single preposition, it means two or more words are combining, but they are actually forming a single preposition. It means two words you are using. For example, into, across, without, within. It means you are using two different words, but you are actually forming only one single preposition. Then it is known as compound preposition. Okay. Next, jump to next category. What is it? Complex or phrase preposition. When a group of words does the work of single preposition. For example, अब क्या है यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं. इट मीन्स इट मे बी 2, इट मे बी 3. ओके, तो वो जब क्या करते हैं, सिंगल प्रीपोजिशन का वर्क करते हैं, तो वो क्या कहलाते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स या फ्रेज प्रीपोजिशन. व्हाट आर दे? फॉर एग्जांपल, टू वर्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स. अगर if we take example of two word complex, okay, it means example apart from, because of, prior to, due to. These all are two word complex preposition. And three word complex preposition उसमें क्या यूज होगा, थ्री चीजें रहेंगी. पहले भी फर्स्ट भी preposition होगा, लास्ट भी preposition होगा. in the middle we use word. Okay, any word that may be noun. Okay, noun. Preposition, it means preposition plus noun plus preposition. एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. थ्री अगर हम कैटेगरीज डिफाइन कर रहे हैं थ्री वर्ड प्रीपोजिशन का, तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ, विथ रेफरेंस टू, इन स्पाइट ऑफ, these all are the examples of complex or phrase preposition. It means simply you can define any word which shows the relationship of noun and pronoun with the other word. The other word may be noun, the other word may be adjective, verb. Okay, to give a proper meaningful sentence, then it is preposition. Okay, let's see your book. You can read all these examples. Okay, and let's see the exercise A. Okay, there is a funny umbrella stand. What will be there? Next to the door. It means there is a funny umbrella stand next to the door. Next line. According to a recent survey, the boy-girl ratio has fallen again. It means in the second point it will be according to. Okay, I am giving you the answers of all these. In next video I will explain about different types of preposition according to their function, and in the next video I will explain with examples also. Okay, till now you have to read all these definitions. You have to understand all these categories by reading in your book, and you try to understand. If you don't have if you have any doubt regarding this any point, then you can ask to me. Okay, and I am giving you answers of these exercises actually. Okay, thank you.